if you're ever in the St. Thomas area and need some amazing Jamaican food, real Jamaican food, I have a crazy spot to share with y'all. I am in Morant Bay, and just around that corner, just a minute around that corner from that roundabout coming from Kingston, this spot will be on your right hand side. If you are head to Kingston, it will go there on the left hand side. This spot is called Action HQ, right here at Church Corner, just around that roundabout, just a minute or less from that roundabout. You can't even walk from the roundabout. So, wicked. Yo, crazy machine just passed. And as I said before, if you want good Jamaican food, if you ever head into St. Thomas, this spot is a crazy spot to actually get some good Jamaican food. And we're gonna head inside the kitchen right now. The place smells super good when you talk about that Homestyle chicken, that fried chicken, that curry goat, and especially even that stew peas. Yo, we're heading inside the kitchen right now. The place is pretty busy. It's pretty early in the morning, and you know, the road busy. People are go school, people are go work, and people in the kitchen. How we are gonna head inside the kitchen? That's a vibe. Yes, man.
This is the very first spot we start off our stew peas in.
Wow.
So we move from this spot to that curry goat pot in there, and then it never satisfied the people, so we had to go to this.
Sharon are the producer of my 4 children. The body skunk Friday, the body skunk right, that's a man.
Just before we head inside that kitchen, one more thing. Tons of you guys still not subscribed as yet, so hope you take the time out to click that subscribe button and wanna know the vibes, please, and thanks. Run up the subscribes and even that thumbs up. Wanna know the vibes. We're heading inside the kitchen right now, but getting that hairnet on. We have that hairnet on, and we're going inside right now. But the kitchen there right around the south, and we smell everything. We can smell chicken, then we can smell all of those seasonings, everything, but I'm gonna show you what I want. Yeah, man. Auntie Sharon, morning time.
Good morning.
Blessed morning. Place smells super good. I'll go with this, I'll go on there.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, wow. Yeah, man, lock him down. You go and do him thing. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What? They eat ton of pea, man? Cheese and peas, man. Man. Oh, wow. So we have fried chicken and the Homestyle. Oh, yeah.
See then? One of them brother they were for white side. Take so class, right?
And Sharon, about how long now this place is around?
17 years.
17 years? What? For real?
17 years.
Man! A whole heap of cooking that in Sharon?
Yeah.
Man! Is it a family spot, like a family restaurant business?
I mean, we started, but she is my stepdad, my son wife. Remember my friend for years we have.
And you guys.
We used to live for the same business, suffer the same way.
Wow.
And then Robin was blaming. Tarzan come like my brother. One year to know what.
Yeah. So for 17 years, you guys have been here like together. Wow, amazing. Does the KFC? Does the KFC in the new KFC in the area?
Some of the same.
For real?
Yes. You know people love KFC.
True. Wow. But KFC can't compare to them, man. But you know the younger generation then.
Yeah, they love the fast.
They love it fast.
Yeah. Kim. Boy. Robin, use the fork and come grab some of them chicken. Hassan? Here. The one now, look. You know, you're right. Kim, you know better? Hold on, man. I can get the best of all things here.
That heat, the heat here in the kitchen is wicked, crazy vibes. Pots all around, pots right here, pots straight around, and even pots on the outside because today is actually that stew piece day. So, all know the vibes, all listen to Sharon. And this right here is the homestyle chicken, and we have the fried chicken over there. That homestyle chicken is, you find that a lot, and especially in those cook shops, you know that always on the menu in most cook shops. Well fried down. Crispy fried, and then go down in that seasoning with all of those herbs and spices, and of course you can't leave out that ketchup. That's what make homestyle. Some people call it fricassee. We don't know the difference, but boy, I tell you, two of them nice. I can't wait to try some of that later down today. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Is that white apple? Only food.
Green pepper and style, you see?
What's that now? Yeah, but I have a secret. A secret. We're going to the pot.
Secret blend.
Yeah, man.
Just a little tatty go and put in the Homestyle.
Just a look at that. So this is a sauce for the Homestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you create the sauce, then you add the chicken to it.
When I put in the chicken, I get succulent.
Oh yeah, soft and nice, succulent.
No, you like in there?
You know, remember?
This is one of the main ingredient. Ketchup, affina. Oh yes. After.
Some people use cornstarch.
Starch, cornstarch. Oh yeah, that can use also. Oh, for
And
real.
then they use the cornstarch to give it the tea.
Oh. Oh, this smells good. This smells good. Oh yeah, that is a must.
We have one customer afraid of pepper.
This smells real good.
This is the very first pot we start off our stew peas in.
Wow.
So we move from this pot to that curry goat pot in there, and then it never satisfied the people, so we had to go to this.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Whoa.
very good,
Amazing.
amazing.
And that soup is 3 times for the week.
3 times per week:
Wow.
Wednesday, Friday, and Saturdays.
Oh
And
man.
it's all eat off.
Wow.
People love it.
Look on the pot, man.
It's a signature dish.
That's the signature dish.
Yes, if you don't have a stew peas, they can't come out.
Wow.
Make no sense.
Wow.
Miss Bev, she's here from the first
Yeah.
doing fried saltfish.
Fried saltfish.
Yes, and then we go herring sprat. Then we go macabak.
Makabak.
Yes, and then we go shad. Then we
Wow.
go small parrot that we call bridging. Then from bridging to our big,
Wow. Wow. Amazing.
we go to the roast fish, and then we do conch.
So from saltfish to the whole of them.
Yes,
Wow.
so conch. Now we do conch on Fridays only.
Wow. Amazing.
Curry conch, grilled conch on Friday.
Wow.
We get whole heap of conch baby, you know.
True.
Yeah, whole heap of conch baby.
True. Right, that's where them eat it from.
Yes, sir.
Yes, man.
Too much baby, we have to cut it down one at a time.
Yeah.
So you're going to make them fry, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, see them bloody water drink after that.
These look so good, man. Amazing.
Yes, the succulent.
Yeah, man. Succulent fried chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
I'm here one. But why? I don't mind just a thing. That. Rich.
Yeah.
Real man. We have to drop shot here now.
No. Why would I? Why should I?
Chicken foot and pretty nice pot there. Oh wow.
Yeah, chef. What's in your heart?
You can pick me whatever me maximum pick me. Here, just listen. With a year and down your cup. Acho? Right, swell sauce. Full up the pot.
After they have the done already, you should have
Can't do that. All of them they look like this one.
Sheriff?
Yeah?
We answer one to I can ride like them.
Check out what's this one again? Video who am I calling to my friend?
No, say I keep on the pot, man.
Going up on it.
It look clean.
I'm on the wire, I can check in on it.
One on teeth. Call Mike, man. Mike, come in. Come in, Mike. Put the camera on. I think you come here for the Saturday.
Yeah, man. Nah, come. This goat smell good, Auntie Sharon. Smell really good.
One fish.
Oh, this is sauce for the fish.
Pound one or this one?
17 here.
17 years what a chiffon.
The aroma, right?
Oh, yes, man.
see the Scotch bonnet.
Oh yeah.
You see the aroma already that
Yeah,
you're getting
yeah,
from the stew peas.
Yeah, man.
Very delicious. And we use garlic and ginger
Inside the stew peas.
inside the stew peas.
Oh yeah.
Very flavorful.
Yeah, man.
Very nice. And this is a signature dish.
Yeah, man.
The stew peas.
And the thing is, a lot of places them only do it once per week.
Yeah, Wednesday. You know?
Whoa.
Or, you know, St. Thomas,
Yeah,
Morant Bay,
yeah.
they want stew peas 3 times.
3 times.
Every time we cook outside,
Yeah.
if we do stew peas,
Wow.
and
Wow.
this is the Action HQ stew peas.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
And I Saturday time I rice good and feeling
Wait.
better and feeling.
Tarzan came alright, so now it's Saturday gone. I parish at the
A person, ask him a person.
No, no.
Ask him a person to Saturday. I said we put the plastic bag and put some water. And the person just leave off the pot. They say me have to ask him anything to do.
It's no good. Yeah. Now these soupy that store make us so I want it. Tarzan! Yeah?
Wow.
Soupy is ready, man. Rich and ready.
Whatever. I let this garden. Vegetable garden.
Well, take it down.
Wow. The soupy. No, sir.
Come on, come sign up. Sign up, what's on there?
Right, you are right.
Oh, yeah. Robin, put the butter in there, please.
Butter.
Done it for your sins. I want that soupy. I want to hold it by butter for eat that. That's nice, right? Yeah, hold by soupy. I want to hold by mice, right?
Only for moisture and I'm real.
Hold it by peas.
It take a lot of handwork just to do that doing it, not
Yeah,
true?
man.
Yo, the
I
man.
muscle that.
Yeah man. No plastic.
No plastic.
Yo.
Natural steam.
Natural Steven. Real man.
One pot of natural steam, right? You see?
Yeah man.
Steam already. Good yellow hot. You see?
Yeah man. For all of the breadfruit lovers, I'm gonna pull up at Action HQ right here at Church Corner. Morant Bay vibes, you know the vibes. Yeah man. Crazy yellow hat. Yeah man.
Real yellow hot.
Look good man. Oh wow. See all of that steam coming out of that breadfruit. Good old yellow hot breadfruit, roast breadfruit. So for all of the breadfruit lovers them, wanna make sure to pull up right as you pass that runabout and come around the corner, not even a minute. Wanna make sure to stop at Action HQ and come get some of this good old Jamaican food. Yeah man. I say up at top. Road.
Martin.
So this is the vibe. Once you see that, right now we're up on the street side. Once you see all of these spots start coming up and you know say food time, it's probably now. And even 12 o'clock yet, and food literally ready up. That stew peas ready, that goat, that Homestyle chicken, fried chicken, crazy vibes. We're up on the street, vehicle, a speed pass. And you can see this orange building right here. tons of food, tons of amazing, good, well cooked Jamaican food. And France, when I say France, see the pot them start come up, you know, a crazy food vibes. Okay, I can't wait to go down in some of this.
Up there.
Auntie Sharon, it's a food time. Yes. So it's the first one I got. Chicken food. This is it right here. Action HQ. As soon as you guys come around the roundabout, just a couple seconds up the road on the right hand side, you guys will see this orange building and HQ. And from the see the pot them reach up at top on the roadside, and it's a vehicle park up away. It's no joke. Crazy vibe. From the city, the pot them reach up at top on the no sense. Food time right about now. It's now after 11, not even 12 o'clock yet. And a food time. That's stew peas, that oxtail, that fried chicken, Homestyle chicken. Oh God. No vibes. So I can head inside because it's a camera right now. Oh, another Homestyle too. Oh my God. So we are going to take a better look on that. We are going to head inside and show you what we're going. Yeah man, a food time. Yeah. Respect. Give thanks, give. Give thanks. Oh yeah. Oh wow. This is the vibe. Wow. Look on this right here. This is real authentic Jamaican food right here in St. Thomas. I know a lot of you guys pass this side, drive past this side and don't even realize, say, oh, this spot is actually here. Action HQs is an amazing spot for real Jamaican food. All the Jamaican food lovers, once you coming from Kingston heading into anywhere into St. Thomas side, once you reach Morant Bay and reach that roundabout, just literally on the right hand side, like a minute or even less as you pass the roundabout down the road. Orange, Action HQ mark in a white, orange building, and you can't miss. Some of the best food I've ever had out here in the east is right here. So. And if you want to head from St. Thomas, I go back in Kingston, it's on the left hand side. Yeah, tell you now. Crazy vibes. In this we have some of that Oxtail, we have that amazing signature. Look on this pigtail stew peas, that's the signature. This 3 times a week you can get stew peas right here. We have that fried chicken, we have that Homestyle chicken and this curry goat. When you know the vibes, we are gonna dig down in this right now. Oh, this smells so good. We've been away from this for a while now. Oh. And also we get that rice and peas. Man, we put away some of that rice and peas, no gravy at all. Oh my God. Look on this. Police one. all type of people from all both stuff that come for them food. And as I said, this is one of the tastiest food I've ever had anywhere out here in East. And mark yo, no, we never done no gravy, no meat, no nothing. This is just strictly fresh vegetables, all of that carrot, that cabbage, that lettuce. Oh wow. And of course, pasta. Right here on the roadside. That can't go to waste. Oh man. Amazing food. Let's go down in some of this curry wood. This is the boat right here. Wanting to see it good enough. Oh yeah. Well seasoned. Though that season just box just now. Let's get some of that gravy, that curry gravy, mix with some of this rice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's start that up with some of this vegetable right here. Some of this freshly grated vegetable. Oh yeah. Top up a piece of this oxtail. Super hot. All of the pots are up top. Once the pots them reach up on the roadside, don't know, food time. Oh yeah. Super delicious meat, just a drop off of the bone. What actually like I'm gonna call it bone me, the bone me a choke. Bone super soft and nice. But that oxtail done already, but we still have a little of that gravy on the rice right here. Oh yeah. This fricassee chicken, amazing. Some people call it Homestyle. Some people call it fricassee, but it's the same technique. You fry that meat up well crispy and nice, fry that in oil, and then you put down that straight into the pot. You create that sauce with all of that ketchup, that seasoning, ground seasoning, all that herbs and spices, and then you put all of that fried up meat down in the pot and make that bubble right through it, and especially that ketchup. That's one of the main ingredient, one of the main thing that give that flavor and that texture in the home style. Oh yeah. Right now we're speaking more officers pull up on another vehicle, about 4 or 5. Tons of people right here right now. The home style tastes so good. Oh yeah. Good old home style. Oh man, I don't know. Fried chicken at restaurants, at cook shop, that's a must. You can't have a cook shop or a restaurant and you don't fry some chicken with the people them. That's the thing right here. That's one of the things right here in Jamaica that if everything done off of the menu and them say a fried chicken left, I guarantee you probably still take another food. Although whenever that you come there for fried chicken. It's definitely the flavor. Go down somewhere, it's very good. Get some of that pork gravy. Some more of this rice. Yeah, the flavor is just amazing. But no, I had to try them signature, which is that soup is 3 times a week. A lot of places they go them actually just one day out of the week. They actually provide this, which is normally Wednesday, which is the middle of the week. But this spot you can get it. I don't remember, but I think Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday can actually get stew peas. Now they have to try it again. When eating stew peas, they want to get out all of that flavor out of it. And of course, they want to get that little tiny, just a tiny amount of salt. Because that's what gives it that vibe. Not salty at all. But that little tiny amount of salt where it tastes not that big tail. Oh, push out a ton loads of flavor. And give it that vibe. See there? You want to suck out all of that bone, get all of that flavor. And of course you can't do stew peas without that spinach. In Jamaica we call it spinach dumpling, roll up in a small tiny spinach. Yeah man. That flavor is super amazing though, and even that texture. Oh God. I have another piece of pigtail here. We're gonna go down in it. Look how that meat just peeled right off of that bone. Let's get some more of this. This is so good. Chewing up that bone, getting out all of that flavor, little salt. That little saltiness we have squeezed out of the bone inside the mouth. Amazing. Oh yeah. Right here at Action HQ. Amazing spot in St Thomas. For everyone who usually drive past this spot, you need to stop and check it out. A lot of you guys pass through St Thomas, come at these attraction spots, especially in the summer here. All of these rivers, all of these nice attractions. But when you pass this spot, you don't even realize the good food there. So Action HQ is one of my go-to spots right here. So the pass through, come check it out for yourself. You know the vibe. So I'm going to finish bouncing all of this. And respect to everyone who watching. Please subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys still not yet subscribed. So do please subscribe. It's not costing you. Click a look at subscribe and you know the vibe. More vibe coming soon. Yeah man. Yeah life. Just like that. People here pulling up for them food right now. right on the roadside. It's a crazy spot for food. The curry goat was amazing, especially that stew piece. If you guys never stop at Action HQ, literally pull up. I'm not telling a lie, just come eat some food right out there. So sit down on that cool shed bar there inside to just drink some juice and just enjoy beautiful St. Thomas on the street side and eat some good Jamaican cooked food. I don't know the vibe. Yard life. Yes, man.
Yeah, man, so you know what the right to Action HQ or the bodies. I guess I will eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And just to add to it, Sharon are the producer of my 4 children. Yes, I'm getting the bodies skunk. The bodies skunk. Friday, the bodies skunk. Right, that's a man.
Really?
Believe me.
That's the vibe.
Yeah, man, big up.
Action.
Alright.